In the demonstration that follows, we will be using Microsoft Excel 2007. Firstly, let's recall the formula for the various Ichimoku lines. Let's start with the Tenkan-sen line. It is calculated by taking the highest high and the lowest low for the past 9 periods, divided by 2. Next, the Kijin-sen, take the highest high and the lowest low for the past 26 periods, divided by 2. Now, we will calculate the components that make up the Kumo. Senka span A is the average of the Tenkan-sen and Kijin-sen previously calculated, and we will plot this value 26 periods into the future. Next, Senka span B is the highest high and lowest low of the past 52 periods. We will plot this value 26 periods into the future. Last but not least, the Chikou span is current closing price, plotted 26 periods back. Alright, we will start by preparing the data. We enter the dates in column A. Next, we will paste the prices into columns B, C and D. We need the high, low, and close price of each period. Open price is not necessary for this purpose. The next step is to calculate the Tenkan-sen values for each period. We will calculate Tenkan-sen values in column F. Since we require 9 past periods before we can start calculating Tenkan-sen values, we will start from cell F10. Input the formula and hit the Enter button to calculate the value for this period. Paste the formula in all the other periods by dragging the cell down. There we have all the Tenkan-sen values. Great! Next, we will calculate the Kijin-sen values for each period. We will calculate Kijin-sen values using column G. Similarly, since we require 26 past periods before we can start calculating Kijin-sen values, we will start from cell number G27. Input the formula and hit the Enter button to calculate the value for this period. Paste the formula in all the other periods by dragging the cell down. OK, wonderful. So now, Kijin-sen is done. Next, we move to the Senkou span A. We will use column H to calculate Senkou span A values. As Senkou span A is shifted 26 periods ahead, the first value will be calculated in cell number H52. Input the formula as shown. Copy the formula to other periods by dragging the cell down. Wonderful, Senkou span A is now done. We then move on to the fourth line, Senkou span B. We will use column I for Senkou span B. As we require the past 52 periods, and also to time shift forward 26 periods, the first value of Senkou span B starts with cell number I78. Input the formula as shown. Drag the cell down to copy formula to other periods. OK, Senkou span B is now completed as well. Last value we need is the Chikou span. We will use column J for the Chikou span. Enter the formula as shown in cell number J2. Copy the formula to other cells by dragging. We will delete off those without values, as checkout span is lagging. Wow, there you go. We have computed all the 5 lines. Great stuff. With those valuable data points and computations, you can now draw the charts in any manner that you wish. Isn't that splendid? Now that you can create your own cloud charts, let's move